The Hyundai Bayon is a 5-door subcompact crossover SUV, produced by the South Korean manufacturer Hyundai. Revealed in March 2021, it is Hyundai's smallest SUV in their European lineup, and slots below the Kona. Designed for the European market, the vehicle's name is a reference to the French city of Bayonne. The Bayon is based on the third-generation i20, and is not offered with all-wheel drive. The Hyundai Bayon is a small SUV that takes on the Skoda Kamiq and Seat Arona, and while its styling is really eye-catching, it's actually pretty conventional under the skin. There are many alternatives. If you want a compact SUV that's good to drive, there's the Ford Puma, or if you want one that's more upmarket, try the Volkswagen T-Cross. Yet, if you like how the Bayon looks, it's worth considering as a small but practical family car. While the Kona has hybrid and even high-performance versions, the Bayon is offered with just 2 engines, both 1.0-liter 3-cylinder petrols. One has 99 bhp, while the second has 118 bhp. Both use 48V mild hybrid assistance to boost efficiency, and are available with a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox. Bayon has 16-inch wheels, auto high beams, cruise control, rear parking sensor, a 10-inch screen behind the wheel, and an 8-inch central touchscreen display, with smartphone connectivity. The Bayon rides smoothly enough, and combined with the light controls, it means the Hyundai is relaxing. Combine that with the quiet engines, and it holds plenty of appeal for many people looking for a small SUV. The all-new Bayon is an all-new crossover SUV designed specifically for Europe. As a B-segment SUV, it is the latest and smallest member of Hyundai's expanding SUV family. Bayon features a clean, roomy, well-lit interior. There is a strong focus on maximizing front and rear passenger comfort and increasing boot space. Occupants can benefit from LED ambient lighting technology integrated into the front foot areas, door wells, and front door pull handle areas, as well as the storage area below the center console. Bayon comes standard with a full black cloth interior, with 2 other optional color combinations available.